the Fancy Dog President for the Brothers and Sisters Association, live from Cafe Banwanka, Wednesdays are here, and the matters about say, and where we hear them don't come and move free have the own tea, and now me guess that's massive. Oh, socials, no, papa. Before cry, and now all trust kids now social media, no, meaning the actor, yeah, and we trust in papa. Now, you share the style on social media. It's crazy. The way the thinking process, the kind of stories are also to follow. Even though on your social media, 5 minutes, I don't know, to deep. Or you pay your papa. Roles no so say why you papa. Diverse roles. Yeah, we play or no money pay. Me a short part or your favorite actor. Or your massive one of my favorite actors. Oh, Ghana had Jeffrey Nortey, and now I am a guest. Papa, good morning. Good morning,
Midasipa. And I like the fact that okay, I said before I will venture into skate, you know, you saw me in the whole film industry. It's something a lot of people say me started into play a major role in my affecting my skate, my way of thinking, the kind of quality I made it two out there, yeah.
Nice. I mean, personally, about because the quality of your skits make our quality make us for the storyline, make us for camera, make us because we be a judge to jet. Back to back, papa. For you, I mean, minimum than I acted that. Social media. My why they started the trend of skates as in social media?
So me started as an actor, no. Now me are very young. Until at a point, you know, not script name, but train scripts, you know, but also you're passionate about film now. It's not really about sikano. Oh, it's about fulfillment. Person who acting na TV so or camera so and all. And so me say, let me just put some coins together and shoot some short skits. And I started here say it looked like me did grow. But me started I was using professional cameras because come on, me actor. And just for that fulfillment say it's a script name, but because me very depressed.
Wow.
Yeah. Ish. Which year? I think somewhere 2018, 19 thereabout. Yeah, but yeah, very. We started when it's super help because I know I go viral. And like you said, no, go for say, different, quality, no, and say, and he said, go for airbo abaswa. Who are you to stop? And now, no, daily bread is coming out from it. Into Charlie, you have to put in your 100.
Okay. To my depressed. Depression is it because of movies now for and you see a BBI to was run on roses and I be the man.
Hey, second one, I'm here.
Okay, into no fan of
Coco. 1-1, okay.
Maybe said what's my area there depressed. Maybe said is it because many in roles.
Okay. Yes, because me passionate about I didn't know my whole life when I'm person me. Okay. I'm person me acting.
Your whole life?
Yeah. I was since primary. I didn't have like any other option. I'm person me acting. I wanted to be on the screen. Into baby I am passionate about. I feel own work school or choices in terms of subjects now all selected. Everything is geared to acting. I feel to your own yeshi. We say acting is so and to say doctor Oko school, wako medicine, we okay, Juma air train, hospital be air train. Opa go to the best acting schools. Still you go for auditions. Wow. Yeah, in fact paper and she said.
To my actor power, but as I mean pay auditions.
Auditions. Hey, my core auditions are Yeah, my course at a point, you know, I wasn't going because me Peru Saturday into make audition. Into my friend boys so Charlie, Ebia Payana, yeah, kokeke. Make audition, I'm a crowning me best actor during an audition. But all good, I building me confidence.
Okay. Okay, and you know, now the second question was, into BBI able to make JEFFERY other than acting, Nana.
Okay, did I learn anything I can eat from?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I'm a media hustler.
Okay.
Me acting, my presenting, my reading pidgin news that, me poets and so into me poetry, you know. Me performing our corporate events, you know, based on topic I'm gonna be mommy, then I write on it. So I feel like my whole life I was born to do. Yes, I was born to do this thing.
Wow.
And now, and so as a skit maker, a content creator, I work with brands. Until my product, now they are share skits and sometimes make create a whole art for them. And there are a few jobs out there. I'm the creative mind behind it, but I know that you, yeah.
Wow. And I'm scared the jewelry, papa.
Oh, I'm a building brand, may build it kaka.
Okay.
Oh, into Sikano bedroom, we'll get there.
Into my head, one thing they put to say to do there, the mazi, the mosquitoes in as one more, it may acquire them property. Is there anything like that?
Property.
Maybe I would then be a car, and then it's from the skates.
Oh, I'm still living. So it's a percent into a journey. It's because of not food per se, but I can't point and say there's a major list, but I'm using currently. No, I'm investing back.
Okay.
Oh, I shot my first YouTube film. I've not put it out there yet. Oh, some people think say so far as Charlie's in the skates, Jumana go viral, and it's a car, you know, I'm still investing in the thing because in the near future, no, I say I want to become a big producer. Me producing back-to-back film.
I see. You know, then it means that you can say you don't have a car yet.
Oh, I have a car.
I
had a car before and skate. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And a rent another academy, an accident.
Oh, I'm in my own space. I'm not renting.
You are just being
modest.
But me a show part of your first kids no do a show.
Oh, yeah, I get at least Ceciano. I have a whole fan base in Nigeria, in South Africa, because me took one to these nearby African countries, and I like to collaborate a lot. It's something I encourage people, creatives, to do it. Be it music, movie. I have skits with the likes of Brain Jota, the other likes in Nigeria. Into small, we are getting there.
Everybody Nigeria is in the BBC. Boy, you're quite audience,
Zixaluma, yeah. I have a skit with him.
In your scar was a change baby when you man out someone will be
me okay. I think so. I'm okay. Yeah. Oh, and
yes, whole social not nada.
Oh, and then Jaisa.
You come had a actors no. Minimum set what also. So one also because hey, I tie with the same faces every single time. Different from when you now. Okay,
so I think what adds a difference is the fact that me a comedy so count. And some people see me say me a comedy actor. Say I can be
like a serious
roles. I think say if you discover what will put food on your table,
I get it.
What the difference is the fact that me comedy, no, and it's difficult to make somebody laugh.
Okay.
If I want to make you cry, it's easy. I may deliver sad lines, the music at once here. But comedy, Charlie, It's subjective, very, very subjective. What will make you laugh will not make your cameraman laugh. Oh, and I think my consistency is part of it, because as a normal actor in Ghana, no, so films name bar or the jobs are not coming out. People don't get to see your face, but because I'm doing skits, you know, like I have to be consistent. At least every week I have to drop something. If I'm not dropping a skater, because YouTube is giving me some small coins, and I have to be pushing there, yeah.
Okay, Martina, me would we share we event to be our about 3 faces of Jeffrey Nortey,
yeah.
Can want some
okay, once I skits, you know, my creative characters in Kofo Pesa characters, you know. I have Dragon, that's a street character. I have serious Jeffrey Nortey, all movies, Nemo, and I have a character, many custom scenario. Yeah, gun skits,
yeah.
Which
I am but it's very interesting.
I like the fact that own but feeling say very interesting. But there are subtitles there.
Yes.
It's just sometimes we share Chinese films. But sometimes I'm throw we find it's a Chinese film now.
Okay.
Yeah. So people love this characters, and I know how to play with words into spoken word. And I was thinking, say, hey, how can I put all these things together and give the people a live show? Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, a live show. And I do way I'm making it has never been done before in this country.
Okay.
Never been done. One person or stage, or something different.
Or a drama.
Or a drama. I'm interacting with the people. But it's not just one character. Me switch it to the next character. Costume basis, character profile basis, BBA basis, you know. And yeah, basically, that is it. So the team and I, we came together and I said, okay. And then BBC said, the best place to do it is the National Theatre. What's the National Theatre? Was our theatre. Yes. And Mouse Theatre film. So we decided to go to 2 years ago. It was Snap Cinemas.
Nice.
It was great.
The same 3 faces now.
The 3 faces.
Wow.
Yeah, it was
good.
This
is more or less why they
But 2 years ago, no, my backstage, I'm call off for another act to come on the stage. Now I say home. But this time around, my bar. Yeah.
No. Talents na chapo.
Oh, and yes, investment. We invest time. We invest energy. Oh, rehearse and all that. Sometimes you know, who say the thing say, oh, he's just talented. Sometimes we challenge and down. Yeah, rehearse it just to put out a good work out there.
Okay. So my share it's National Theatre. Date near
14th June.
14th of June.
Yeah.
National Theatre.
National Theatre.
Kakra.
Yeah. Oh, Kakra. Regular air 150 Ghana cedis, double 280, VIP 300 Ghana cedis. Yeah. And a lot of people think say, oh, Jessica, which means it's coming to your pocket. Or more forget to say we are paying for venue, we're paying for light, sound, and the whole stage. Okay. We are doing a lot of things. When you buy a ticket, it might not go straight into my pocket, but what is supported, yeah.
Matters. Into 14th of June, National Theatre. My time.
7 p.m.
Okay. One show.
One show.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, him for the tickets.
Oh, follow me. You will know there's a short code, and all my social media platforms, you know, short coding will. And now say, person buy phone. Yeah, man. The ticket will be sold at the entrance. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And you know, Jeffrey Nortey na yenye atwetwe komo no resrahen. Mama chance na waresra.
Me ye wo twimu.
Maybe ye bia.
Okay, so Shemia, if you like my skits, you don't know me, my name is Jeffrey Nortey. Me a content creator, me a skit maker, me a comedy most times. Me a show at National Theatre on the 14th of June, 7 p.m. Tickets are going for a cool 150 Ghana cedis. Patrol, come and support me. Come and watch me live. But you're a lover of poetry, acting, and at the likes of General Tatia is passing through. Also, the theatre boss. Okay. Parrot Mouth is passing. Clemento Suarez. Oh, okay. Yes, me. Killers Day my back. PJ, Chemical, comedian Nino. We have a lot of stand-up comedians. They are passing through it. So it's not just me. It's a whole Father Christmas, Santa Claus thing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Menga show do be pedal be miss. 14th of June. Make it date.
Thank you so much. Some my idea tune, some my idea.
Masa, mama. 80 over 100.
Okay.
I had
That's it.
Inti no mudasen so.
Thank you.
Beka ansa wade. Hana mezo nkomo no muzibesi mresraw de bomozinara na osi follow no Jeffrey Nortey on all pages.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Okay, to follow no socials ni nyina do na most be able to tickets na say boka koto ho kwanda hon de butum na ayen dem National Theatre 14th ye nyina ye roko time be 7
p.m.
Nyagana man.
No, Nyagana man time. National Theatre ocha ombepa mo ocha you pay in Timpaucho.
No, bombos na enko support no na onye sika ofa ye mo production na re eduma kama pa socials no do. Inti no me da hona say there but na special thanks on Koma Cafe ba no and dey ba no acha but oba. Inti no me da hona say dey mo boy hona about to home say cafe ba no e chi kwa na the police station in Changhonoma, but wasn't not brand new medicine so do wadi zibano higher fe bibia one in with high.
Yeah, very complex.
Okay. No one samara in Tahana Mizibesi is in no ear the fan to the owner so mamma be ye in our hadi. No one I see. Yami Adoma Basana Yishia.